Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Photos. On your Android and iOS, firstly open Google Photos, then click at the profile icon at the right top, and we need to disable backup. So you can click at the backup line right here and turn off backup by click at the slider if the slider have colorful background. Or you can go to the Google Photos settings, then backup, and turn off backup here. Also, I recommend to check your sharing. So you need to go to the Google Photos settings, then click at the sharing and select manage sharing activity. So right here we have the links. Maybe you need to remove them by just click at the trash icon and click delete. Also, you can check memories and conversation. You can leave the conversation by just entering the conversation. Then you need to click at the three dots, sharing, and right here click at delete. Also, you can set sharing settings, but right here we have only information about location, so if you don't need to share location, tap at this slider, if the slider have colorful background. After that, on iOS we can turn off them, and on Android we can disable them. So on iOS, press and hold at the Google Photos icon and click remove app and delete application. Okay, now let's move to Android. So on Android we have few options. You can or press and hold at your application and click application information, or you can go to the settings, then apps, and in the apps you need to find your Google Photos. So you need to scroll down, or you can use a search and you can write photos here, then click at the Google Photos. So firstly I recommend to clean the storage and the cache, and the same with the storage by just click on it. Then force tap and disable. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.